Welcome back to a new video, and today we are installing an Android head unit in the BMW wagon. And yeah, I bought an Xtron head unit for the E91 and I'm going to show you how to install it. So that's the head unit that I bought, and it should come with everything that we need to install it. We have a lot of wires, and then we have auxiliary cable and the head unit itself. So let's start to disassemble the screen, take off the screen, and also we need to remove this interior trim and all this plastics and all this trim here, climate control, the original radio. Okay, basically here we have the original wire for the radio from the car, and all these cables are for my amplifier that I installed in another video, but today we need this. So this wire for the Android head unit plugs in between the original car loom and then into the wire for the amplifier. And I'm not sure if I have enough space here to put everything back together how it was. Maybe I need to install the amplifier in the glove box or somewhere else, but we will see. But for now, that's the car loom. The car loom plugs into the Android head unit and then back into the amplifier loom. Yeah. Okay, somehow I managed to get all the cables down here. It was really tight, but I think it should fit. I squeezed them all together and put them behind, like on the left side here and on the right side behind the plastics here. And I hope I can get this plastic here so this doesn't stand out too much. We will see. But for now I'm gonna put the screws back for the original head unit, and then I put the cables for the Xtron, for the Android head unit. I put the cables behind here from this side, and then up here you can get through there. Also I've put the GPS antenna right here on the left side. I think that should work. We will see. Okay guys, so I managed to install everything back together. I managed to put these plastics back on, and we fit all the cables behind these plastics, so everything fits pretty good. And now I can show you the functions. The main reason I bought this head unit is because of Apple CarPlay, and if you take on the ignition, this Android head unit starts right up, and you also can put a SIM card in, and then you can put like widgets on the home screen. I put a weather widget on here, but I'm in the garage now, and we don't have signal down here. And usually when the head unit turns on, it connects itself with Apple CarPlay, and this takes like 10-20 seconds. And yeah, so you guys probably know all the functions from Apple CarPlay. You have all your music right here, you have your navigation right here and stuff like that. And yeah, so at first we had the issue that the car device, like stock head unit image, isn't showing up here, but then we fixed it, and I show you how you can fix it if you have the same issue. But I think that that's only working for these Xtron head units. So what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, then you go into car infotainment, then you go down there on about device. Then you have the settings here on the top right corner. Click on that, and then the navigation wants a code to access this menu. So the code is 884 times the 8. You click OK, then you confirm. Then you go into CAN type, and here you want to make sure that you have selected 176. In my case, I have a E91 pre-facelift model. It's a 2005, and for me this option worked. It might be gonna be another CAN type for your car, but yeah, if you want to change it, you go here on top on all, and then you have a bunch of CAN types. But in this case, we need 176. After that, after you select that, you just go and save, and then the head unit wants to reboot. That's one thing. The other thing you need to check, if you don't get a signal from your stock head unit, you go into car info right here, car info, and then you go into general settings. No, you don't go into general settings. You go into factory head unit parameter setting, and there you have a few resolutions, and based on your stock device you need to try all these resolutions. You need to try all these resolutions. Okay, the other functions of the head unit are, you have navigation, right? You have it's Google Maps for navigation. Then you have Android Auto, but I think that's only working if your device is connected via wire to the head unit. And you can install apps if you use a SIM card. You can install like YouTube. I installed like a radar app, YouTube. Then you can put an USB drive in with videos, and yeah, you can also switch like the design of the head unit, but like the theme, I actually don't tried it yet because I like this one. But you go on topic switching, and there you can choose, like, you have two different design types, as you can see, and I think you can download even more, but I'm not sure how that's working. Also, you have a dashboard where it's showing how much you're driving and stuff like this. It's pretty useless. And you have music, video, car device, dashboard settings, Bluetooth. This, I don't know what this is. It's not working. There's a bunch of stuff like, I don't know, that's not really working on it. But see, you have a web browser. Also for that you need the SIM card, and you have the Stork app, but I wasn't able to connect my OBD2 reader to the device. I have this OBD from Kali, this reader, and I just wasn't able to connect it because I tried so many things. I can't get it to work. Maybe you need a special OBD2 reader, not sure. Then you have the important thing is like you have Google Play Store, so you can install basically everything. Yeah. Also, I've tried to install the application for my interior lighting, but I also wasn't. Yes, I also wasn't able to manage to install this interior lighting app because it's saying always like this application doesn't work with this device. Also, in one interesting thing, you've got DSP, so you can select all your equalizers and stuff like that. It's kind of useful, but I don't know, man. I'm not an expert with audio. So yeah, you have Google Chrome Music, and that's already it, guys. So is it worth it? I don't know, to be honest, because it's really a lot of money. It's like $500 this thing. I've got it used on eBay for 200, and for 200 it's really okay, but I don't think it's worth 500, to be honest. Yeah, but and anyway, I'm gonna link it below the video, so if you say for you this head unit is $500 worth, you can buy it right off Amazon. And also, guys, I've noticed like not even 1% of the viewers of my channel are unsubscribed. So hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and that's it. See you in the next video.